Assalamu alaikum, ich bin Usman und ich lerne die deutsche Sprache. Ich bin aus Pakistan. I am Usman from Pakistan and I am learning German language. This is our day 24 of German language speaking challenge and ये हमारा डे 24 है जर्मन लैंग्वेज स्पीकिंग चैलेंज का। और आप लोगों से मशवरा चाहिए कि इस चैलेंज के ख़त्म होने के बाद, क्योंकि 24 है और तकरीबन एंड के करीब है, तो इसके बाद मैं क्या चैलेंज शुरू कर सकता हूँ। आई वांट योर सजेशंस रिगार्डिंग नेक्स्ट चैलेंज एज दिस चैलेंज इज़ ऑलमोस्ट एट इट्स एंड। So in this day I have an ayah from Surah Al-Adiyat, Surah number 100, ayah number 8 and 4 sentences. Previously I was speaking 3 sentences, now I am speaking 4 sentences on my own, and then I will make mistakes and then I will rectify them in front of you so that both of us may learn from each other. So the ayah from Surah Al-Adiyat, Surah number 100, ayah number 8 is Unwahrlich stark ist seine Liebe zum irdischen Gut. Allah says about human beings that their love for worldly goods is so much strong. Worldly goods such as health, wealth, money, etc. अल्लाह ताला फरमाता है कि इंसान का जो मोहब्बत है, इंसान की मोहब्बत वो दुनियावी चीज़ों के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा है। दुनियावी चीज़ें जैसे माल, दौलत। अल्लाह ताला हम लोगों पे रहम करे और हम लोगों को सही रास्ते की तरफ लेके जाए, आमीन। Nevertheless, now I have 4 sentences on my own, and I will then rectify them so that both of us may learn from mistakes. So the first sentence I am going to speak is wall is yellow in color. Dear wall, I don't know about wall. Dear wall, so I am taking it as is. Dear wall is the yellow color. I am also not clear about yellow. So dear wall is the yellow im Farbe. Farbe I think means color. Wall is yellow in color. Dear wall is the yellow im Farbe. First sentence. Second sentence. Stairs are going downward. I am not sure about stairs and I am not sure about downward, so I am taking these words as is. Stairs sind downward gehen. Third sentence is sun is very bright today. Heute der Sonne ist sehr bright. I am not sure about bright. So it is third sentence. It was third sentence, and the fourth sentence is there are walls at the roof. Es gibt walls. I'm not sure about walls. Es gibt walls auf der roof. Roof. I'm not sure about roofs. So I am rectifying myself so that I may learn these words and also learn the grammar related to these sentences. So I have rectified myself and I am going to show you the changes that have to be made and correct sentences. First sentence I used was wall is yellow in color. I said der Wall ist yellow im Farbe. This sentence has to be changed into die Wand ist gelb. Gelb means yellow, die Wand means the wall. Im Farbe is actually in color, but this is additional and may not be used in this sentence. Second sentence I said was stairs are going downward. I said stairs in downward gehen. It has to be changed into die Treppe führt nach unten. Nach unten means downward, führt means leads, goes. Die Treppe, the stairs. So die Treppe führt nach unten. Third sentence I used, I said was sun is very bright today. I said in German heute. Die Sonne ist sehr bright. It has to be changed into heute. Ist die Sonne sehr hell. Hell means bright in German language. Die Sonne, actually most of the sentence was right in this case. And the fourth sentence I said was there are walls at the roof, and I said in German es gibt walls auf der Roof, but it was wrong. It has to be changed into es gibt Wände auf dem Dach. Dem Dach means roof. Wande is the plural of wand I used in the first sentence, wall, and it was wall, now it is walls, so it is Wande. Es gibt Wande auf dem Dach. Auf dem Dach means on the roof. Dem Dach, the roof. So this is from my side, my German language speaking challenge, and of course I have learned something today again, and hopefully you may have also learned something. So we will meet next time, inshallah. Jazakumullah khair.